listen, let me explain what happened. Udele nande otuya sula ebuka obi. Na omega their fundamental rights. Gene ima hagagu na ejoku. No violate their fundamental rights. Ba strike that one at Rufoya. That's no merit. They're not gonna tell you that one. A strike that one out, there is no merit on this particular case. They carry that one, throw inside the toilet. But major flush, huh? They flush that one inside that fundamental right to cartoon and a pocket of a man. Now, Udele has a fundamental right. I violated ya. That was the first case I strike out. Let me go to tell you the facts, the truth, and nothing but the truth. I took that fundamental flush toilet. It has no merit. Now, a boutique case Udele. Criminal defamation now. Even that criminal defamation, I can pin Udele town. Criminal and cyber stalking. George Agbahana, this criminal one, no who na Lagos ka gbe ya. Na Lagos enwe who did judicial cogena. Ha buru ya kwa Abuja. No na Abuja Federal High Court ka gbe that criminal one. Give up until but these people will not tell you guys the truth. Now, the cyber stalking on who can actually wear Udele. The cyber Ashim Gegene, not information, go and be writing it down. In case that's in keta of a man and undergolebu idiota. You want to go? Because him and Hapatana and give false for information. They tell it to be. They will rewrite it to deceive some gola. That's why I'm not here. And the right to China, oh, the is getting freedom. Nala yo. Now me tell you, the me go to tell you, Udele has nothing, no freedom, anytime and any tomorrow soon. I mean, more cases about to file against Udele. Now, look at what happened. I thought that the fundamental right to Udele as squash squash bean. Now she go okay. Lagos court. Now how anything now away back and be that criminal one. But now the cyber one is what they will stand on. Now, help put the Hashi George that the bad condition Udele the two among us. Because they will not tell you the truth. Now share this video. No, share my information. If you don't know, share go swallow my information. Una ship swallow ya. Come shit tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Una share who this infatuation can hear and fire because these people can lie. They can lie. So, imani yomi gane mere pain. Potala no bomana no word ken man. Ndeka so le tizi obodi. No. Okay, man, potala no bo. You want to go? Aha! Share the fuck phone for Udele came into her boutique. Ima, remember the last time they gave Udele bad condition? This their miscreants and Ndago that only raised 700,000 naira. We are clamoring and we are jubilating. Udele is coming the next day. Ma potagwa that amana mohabelu nishi. If Udele see this bright light before case here bito, go put on a wine. So, here she judging at the bad condition, not the too humongous, not the too much. Now, how are they? They cannot be able to come up with it. George came up and now, listen, let me tell you what happened. I got a court on the 15th of this month. Like I told you guys, Udele got puta that they will never come up with the bad condition. Now, I got a court on the 15th. The room guy who strike your first case. That's nketa of a man who went and walking up at Korobish. Then we sue there because fundamental rights. We sue there because people like I hear reduce or less than 200 because I will not continue. You know, like I call hand guard. Now share, now click love, now share. And we click we're gonna sue Bukobi. for fundamental rights of Udele. She has no merit. We read the flush inside toilets. That's the first one. Now listen to the second arrival of Udele. Udele gone forever. I better call to today. So George Ashihan that this criminal one that they don't settle it in Lagos. No, na federal high court on Abuja. Who they need to settle it. I said, okay, now I got transfer. Even the criminal one can just guy can pin here born now. Even the Hana no. Even go to Hana no. That criminal one not have pin here, but only one sense can make them now. I said, okay, now federal high court na Abuja can with that one. I said, okay. I bet na Sabbath talking. Sabbath talking he put 7 to 8 years imprisonment. Man find they are guilty. Came in 10. And I know the case. Share the video. Okay, I better start talking. George Ashihan, we cannot strike this one out. This is where the case will start. You feel I'm good. Start talking with the main case. But the age is the criminal destiny pin Udele. Only come man okay. Person where see person see am. You know say Nigeria now. Oshigene. Oshim man no they even see again. You don't know. Come on, Shinga voice. Come on, Shinga voice. Get out. Get out. You know get talk. I know they even respond to you. Come here people information. I know my gone. It's okay. We know reach. Now share no this information. Makande fake inform. Ima nde otu de la cheneba kwa chineke buhine. O ha na ebe this thing ha na ebe. Umunne gida ke wan wana ke hunu delo. O ha pacha be menopause. Aji ha na akro ball onye na gara ha onye wibara na ha. And wana ke hunu delo, they are all house cheaper and anyhow. What do I expect from onya umunne ani na chisara no lo? Yeah, I cannot talk to have a feed Diegi. So I can relate to your pain. What I go say, but I am a Bama condition on the one in a job. Ewala, who would not to touch on all guys to Quang Jabashila go for Opuru. Opuru not be super manager like here, Magina Hurineri. So I can relate to pen. Opuru not be super, where is she? So when you're talking, I can feel your pain. I would not be super. I won't look at your Syria. One day we are fish here. We are on your soup. Nana be here. You can't come back on a Nigeria. On your sort of get your kitchen outside the cherry. Come on, get the fuck out, man, a job already. You know, come on, shut up. You walking wrong guy. Now commenting. Look on our basha. I wouldn't talk to lady. Come on, fuck off my page, sister. Now let me give you guys the main details. The main details. Eruna court today. You know I don't even put on more because I needed the sleep for 4 good hours. You want to go only you want to go now. Every time having all this golepu, upi hello gabiri. When is that are coming out? When is that are coming out? Yeah. Oh, I been your information. Hey, Hannah Malielu, thank God, Udele will soon be out. One day, oh, began you keep perspective fake information, and then they turn the fake. You might be tone to joke. Truth, come gonna asa reduce. Okay, I go reduce. I'm no verse. I got to do some, but him and my brother, they want a better talk on our buru. You are, they wouldn't go near real buru, got piano, got she a quick. That's one now for her. So, let me go back to the main topic. A route to Abeshoke, now this Sabbath talking. Abeshige with a man. Chabie, where Ebuko be Chabiako, Chabien, the Chabimo. That's one okay, then okay, the case will commence. She please your honor. We have tried all we could to get this bad condition. We could not. until now share information now, Makande fake info. Now, but the Ijele case was strike out. False information and fake information. I got reduce your argument. I may reduce the my brother. That part I don't mean to. I'm saying in that like it. I go reduce them just so. Oh why you may chari chan. Just make it. Now, Abena Kudela Shudela. This Sabbath talking. Okay, Your Honor, we have another concern that is really bothering us because of Udele health is deteriorating on daily basis. That Udele is dying, the medic, they will go because they will not tell you Agama Putana Doria, when that dog of Ankatara, when that man, that's a criminal of Ujimezionto, Nkatara, Nagarabo, Yabe, English, you know, Jeremy Hopasta. English in our Kuchana Gonda, people held a German school. Broke ass nigga that cannot come up with the common 50 million Udele. Now, can't actually, Your Honor, there is another one that gives us pain. We can't sleep, we can't wake up. Udele health, as we don't have much money to continue with the medical attendance of Udele. That this thing has been eating us and Udele, the medical condition keep deteriorating. Your Honor, what is the problem? My Honor, the thing is that Udele health is deteriorating and Udele needs to come out. Yes, okay, what can I do for you guys? The bad condition is outrageous. Okay, Your Honor, where are you guys having difficulty of coming up with the bad condition? All these lies that they come to give you hope. So how many times that fake hope? What they see here? How many times the fake hope make you show compare here? Because I know they are lying. I'm a toashi. How many times you begin for child? Good news, my best frog here, butter. That is why I'm here. Okay, Jackson. We tell ya kebu. I woman Jim. I won't see the name. They are all weak men. Weak men. Now, Your Honor, what is the problem, my children? Your Honor, we are having difficulty of coming up with the bed conditions. Nobody, all places we went. Your Honor, okay, which particular one? Are you having problem with the 50 million? Are you having problem with the 5 billion? Are you having which one? Actually, the problem they are facing now is the 5 billion. 2 persons. Your Honor, okay, Your Honor, you see that part? I no go touch them. Now the 50 million I go reduce to 30 million. Can somebody say hallelujah? Ringo. Hosanna. When the penyo that idiot and okay, penyo that I know him. Oshakosayano will soon leave because you don't come. You are not my problem because see, even if Unegi really old cannot be noticed. So go cheap really old. You should notice it. I forget. Even your sisters, when a young people, when you're not the camera. I could say no because only we are the old. I have papaya. Did they share you can? Now let me tell you, Your Honor, Johashi, where are you guys having difficulty? Where is the problem coming from? How should now the 5 billion, the person that made 5 billion property in Abuja or Lagos? No, in Lagos. Now the 5 billion, no the problem no. The Honor share. However, the problem no. I will not touch that area. The place I'm going to reduce is from that 50 million to 30 million. Can somebody say hallelujah? Now, George, get brain again. All the mama they got school. All the mama they hand on. Down on panas computer. So, yeah, the judge reduce the. Okay, where reduce the loan no ego. Now, the bell on the la chineka on no. Couldn't make his line noise here. onya na bakwa hu onye otu the London ashia right on happy akwa ruru ya happy ka obewe ruru ya but it's normal all their hopes all their this they call him Rajeta Pokata. So it's good for him to cry. Allow him to show his cry baby. Your Honor, Shia, we can only reduce 20 out of the 50. Iwatago, that's the only thing I can do for you guys. I cannot touch the 5 billion now. But this man is a danger. Even if the health is going, even if the health of vegetable, because I don't know the land will have vegetable. Anyway. I may block when I click love on but on your where I booze of block. I am 0. Goodbye. Otila, you're no longer welcome. So no outside now watch there. God don't say on the judge Ashi, okay, is that the place? You all are having difficulties. Hashia, yes, Your Honor, we cannot see anybody. All our crew members, all of the people that say right on. And we can want to come on 5 billion house. Now Lagos. Your Honor, we couldn't come up with the bad condition. What can we do? Your Honor, show okay. Eba Sobuna. And I reduce only 20 million out of the 50 million. You know, game, that's your honor, because this man, Udele health is like a vegetable state. Georgia, she has vegetable state when he was talking, Sabbath talking, that the case in that comments. Now Sabbath talking, national got that put Ishi. Man, those things when complications and complications. So that is the only another and the Agamu very soon because the lawyer just need some little updates. What I go? I should get him the food. Now the men are cooking. That's okay. Agama koronu keba koko. So for now, do not listen or get all these twats. The judge is very considerate, my dear. The judge is very a very lovable judge indeed. Judge, may you live long. The judge, I'm not like her. Chineke gozere muya. Okay, Rulam Jakalako, no, but so far, okay, can I squeeze in here for where? Yeah, my park and I here. One year park and Nangal and guess with Ishi. Okay, and I'm justified in that manner. You want to go? So, okay, how is your boyfriend? Come on, shoot down for his son. A woman again her boyfriend. So that is it. So then actually, all the thing was strike out. They are all fake. That's why they messed up. They are useless. Okay, actually deceive all these. They are hopeless people online. Had a chahan queen you call tomorrow. Udele. George Emena Gebere. Are we Unea? Are we on my Chimarina Nigeria? Our shower cage the moya. Whatala? So Udele. George Emena Gebere reduced like from 50 to 30. So that's a very big George is a very good man. Or woman is a very good person. So we should, thank the judge massively. Can somebody say, Judge, God bless you? Come on, get out in favor and don't implicate the lawyer. And the judge is the case is in court. So they are not implicating their own lawyer by coming out to tell you guys false information. They are not implicating their own fake news. So the ones they are giving you with fake news, let me tell you, the media when they right to say the part they understood in the court of law. So what are you talking about? So when you guys will come and you guys will be lying. Will be lying, deceiving, the truth will not be told. The truth must be told. Mani human aside the cookie way shoku. The guy says in Katika, shut up. Shut up, sister. Shut up. Ono wonder them ibena ina false info. Anya na egu unu. Anya man geziko again. false information will not play role again. We are not gonna say the truth. Gonna very well clock or in Doshin and Dam. Uno be for the fire lies. Abanon Ketson. I said the cases and crowds. More than able to fake information on Kununka. Uno to Ashmed disband Bruno. That I done anyone who common on your Sohana is only 5 billion naira house. Doshina. George and no free. Match balloon a show. I don't know. Ebon 2 days. Put up on another plate. Check out Muno. And another date of the court coming in September. So from now to September, make sure that Udele is out. George, you know, until September, on when next court date will commence. And I call you. From now, uno ganga uno even Amuka is worse than Capi before. Una because George reduce more George. I don't want to hear this bad condition. And the funny part, they were begging, crawling, and kneeling. Now this is their lawyer, eh? HMH is not one of the best lawyers. How can a lawyer be kneeling down, begging? Lawyer, if you do your job, you can't kill yourself with Udele. No, permit yourself. You cannot kneel. I said, no, George said, no. This is emotional blackmail in the court of law. Imagining a lawyer, imagining a judge, that this is a emotional blackmail in the court of law. How can you be kneeling down? You are overpassing your boundary of pleading. Have you September, the next court dates? Yeah, September. How may I reduce Zola? Judge, she know this is emotional blackmail in the court of law. I'm about to maintain about the thing issue. How can you kneel down? And emotional blackmail in the house of court of law. We will not accept that. Anyway, I'm about to perform on the lawyer just said and the main information. And but you're going out of here. We have reduced it, and that is all you can get. Can you be kneeling down begging? Emotional blackmail in the court of law. If on your chuck off. Write down. I'm going to write down now. Write down. And now, can you kneel down? Can George is confused? No. George, now, I'm like the George and Hagara school. And I emotion even at the court of law. Guys, can happen. Let me go and clock in. See you guys later. That is the latest thing from coming to break it. Kaloya Hajini Lodan play because